Welcome to our video where we take a look at some of the top lessons from the best-selling book, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. The book, which has sold millions of copies worldwide, offers valuable insights on how to build wealth and financial freedom. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 lessons from Rich Dad Poor Dad. Lesson 1. The rich don't work for money. One of the main lessons from the book is that the rich don't work for money. They understand that money works for them and they invest in assets that generate income. This is a fundamental shift in mindset that is necessary for achieving financial freedom. Lesson 2. Your house is not an asset. Another key lesson from the book is that a house is not an asset. Many people believe that owning a home is a sign of financial success, but in reality, it's a liability. A home requires ongoing expenses and doesn't generate income. In contrast, assets such as rental properties generate income and can lead to long-term financial gain. The importance of financial education. The book stresses the importance of financial education. Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes that traditional education does not teach us how to manage money or build wealth. It's crucial to seek out knowledge and learn about investing, cash flow, and financial management. Lesson 4. Take control of your finances. The book encourages readers to take control of their finances. Instead of relying on a traditional job for income, the book suggests finding ways to create multiple streams of income through investments and entrepreneurship. It's not about how much money you make, it's about how much you keep. The final lesson from the book is that it's not about how much money you make, it's about how much you keep. The rich understand the importance of keeping more of what they earn through smart financial planning and tax strategies. These are just a few of the many lessons from Rich Dad Poor Dad. The book is a must-read for anyone looking to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how much you keep and invest it in assets that generate income. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to never miss our future videos.